What's up, everybody? This is the Toss FX. Okay, it's another time we just do a recap of this pair. It's one of the very simple trade. Just looking from the higher time frame, everything just click from the higher time frame. The market was in the trend within a channel, but then we have had a break and retest, simple one, EDE concept, zone reaction, then you took the trade. Okay, first analysis was done on Monday. It was on Monday when this analysis was done. Price was here. I was looking for this 1 to 2.2 risky to reward ratio. Why? Because price was in this channel. See here. Here's what price was. Although higher time frame momentum, market structure is really bullish. Okay, we have had this strong zone which was broken, price came to retest, but the whole idea of taking a bullish trade was from the weekly time frame. You see, this market is going through this bearish channel, right? For quite some time, we didn't have any candle which was able to close above channel, neither below the channel. And we see here down, we have a very strong weekly price floor and the price ceiling zone. Okay, whenever price came here in August last year, bounced and went above, price again came here in February this year, again in March. So this looks like a very strong base zone. So to continue to sell is until we get a break to the downside and then continue with the bearish agenda. By then, I was looking it very carefully, seeing that if we're in this bearish trend, I wouldn't take a very long-term trade to the upside. Why? Because whenever price reached this upper line of the bearish trend or channel, sellers took over the market and pushed the market to the downside. That's why I was expecting to get out of this market here at 61 pips with a 1 to 2.23 risky to reward ratio. Then the simplest thing came here in the daily time frame, because I looked at the recent trend from the channel. We had the low, lower high, lower low, lower high, we have had the lower low. Look for how many days we have had weak rejection from the downside. And buyers were rejecting the power of sellers for how many days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, at least 7 consecutive days. Sellers' power has been exhausted. And what do we expect? We expect for the buyers push, close above, coming to test, and then we go to the continue with the trend. And that's what something happened on Tuesday. See, on Tuesday we have had a full candle closing above. Now it's just waiting for the retest at the zone with a lot of liquidity, because this is first a zone in terms of PNV. Eurgbp has a very low PNV. Risking 25-30 pips is just okay. Then now Wednesday, price came to test at a zone, taking the order. On Thursday, price reached the profit. So it's just a matter of 3 to 4 days. So this is what happened with Euro GBP this week. This is the Toss FX.